This tutorial demonstrates how we find the flow rate from autocorrelating the raw data file. Save raw data to CSV format. Check Save Correlation Data. Uncheck Save Raw Data and click OK. Select Analysis menu item. Select FF Fitting. Click on Add. Select the CSV file. Select Unused Items. Click on Remove. Click on Parameters. Double-click on Link and assign the row range. The linked fields of the rows will change together. Change Z0 value to 0.5 and check the box to fix. Type in values that are the same for the two channels. Clear the linked fields. Type in W0 for the two channels and fix them. Click on Start to fit. The flow rate and other unfixed fitted values should appear. Click Plot to see the fitting curves. We can select and copy the data to Excel for further processing.